Mobile data not working on iPhone fix. Now if you are sure you have got enough balance or recharge and you have taken the data pack but still your mobile data is not working, then there are a couple of things that we can try. So first of all, what we will do is we will first of all open settings. Now I'll just turn off Wi-Fi for now, then I'll focus on cellular data. You just want to go to the option called cellular, and over here you can see a couple of options where you can see cellular data. So you can simply go ahead and then turn on cellular data from the number that you like. So there might be different numbers if you're using eSIM, so make sure you have selected the correct number. Here if you scroll down, you can see a couple of options, and you might have turned on data saver as well, or so you want to make sure that's not the case as well. Now if it doesn't work, you can tap on reset statistics button from the very bottom of the screen. Now what you can also try to do is first you can try to enable or disable flight mode. So when you enable or disable flight mode, basically those options are going to work again and your cellular data could be working again. Or last but not the least, you can also simply try to restart your iPhone. Now if it doesn't work, just make sure that you have got enough balance within your particular cellular settings to be able to find them. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.